You must have seen a lot of cinematic captions in Instagram Reels and YouTube videos which YouTubers use to hook the viewers in the first 10 to 20 seconds of the video. And how you can do it using AI, I will show you the demo. In the yesterday's video, I talked about how you can generate unlimited subtitles. If you have not watched it, I will link it. And with that, I will continue with this series. So let's begin. So you can see I have already loaded one video in my screen. So this is the video, this is the same video which I actually rendered. So this is how the AI works. So you can see how it renders everything. Now what I did, I uploaded my video using this particular tab. Then I press generate subtitles and it has generated subtitles for me. Now how you can understand and how you can do everything. So I will talk about that. So let me just go here and give you a complete analysis how this particular tool works. So this is the default which you will see after subtitle is generated. Now what you have to do, you have to go in captions. In captions, you have to see there are sentences. So this is very important and this is the brain of how captions work in this particular tool. So you can see this is how it detects everything. So if I press this arrow up button, so you can see it has generated 6 words in one sentence. Now if I split the sentence here, I can split and you can see in the first frame only 2 words are there, in the second frame only 4 words are there, and this is how it works. But if you want AI like automatic words, like maximum words in one sentence, you can choose this one. It can choose 6, 4 or 3, and similarly you can do 3. So by default is 3, but you can customize and manage according to you. And this is important because this will help us in cinematic captions, which I will talk about. Now this particular sentence will render until this tool words disappears. So every online tool which you see will appear, and then when it goes to second line, this every online tool will disappear. So if I go here in play and famous tool, so that particular sentence was removed. And this is how it works, and this is how early other caption tool also works. But now comes the magic, and that is cinematic captions. But as you know, cinematic captions are only used for 10 to 20 seconds of the intro video, not after that. So I will do the similar thing. So first of all, I have also one intro video, so I will just go. So from here you can see this is up to which I am actually deciding. So begin, right? So I will cut the video here. So this is a very important step which we have to do, because we don't want AI to consume our all credits, and we also don't want AI to use our cinematic captions for the whole video. We just want to render it for some part of the video. Now since I have done this, now you have to go in the captions. Now in this style, now you can see this style. Now if you select cinematic mode, it will render for every part of the video, even which you don't want. But if you select apply to, and if you select just clip 1, and now if you apply cinematic style, and you can see only for the first clip only here changing the style. And if you want to change different style, for example for clip 2 you want different style, for example here if you come here and here you want none, and then you want highlight, and you want to change the highlight color, which for example maybe red, you can do that, and it will not hinder with this particular style. So this is how apply to all clips work. And now let's get back into the cinematic captions, and we will just, and here we are. So it is in cinematic captions, and this is clip 1. Now what you have to do is that you have to select font. So of course you can see my normal words are Arial black, which is again from my system font. If you want different fonts, you can load it into your system and Subclip will detect it automatically. And for the power words, these are my first word. And what are exactly power words and what are exactly normal words? So if you see in this particular video, so you can see every was chosen as a power word here. And if you see the online tool which was there, so you can see here U is not a power word, U is a normal word, and subscription is a power word, right? So this is how it works. And you can see here again limb, for example out there is a normal word and charges is a power word. So this is again decided by AI. If you want to change it, you can change it as per your convenience in later on, but AI will do it on this own. So right now you can see it is like rendered properly, like I had played it earlier, so that's why you can see everything is rendered properly. But now if I press this AI generate subtitles, it will automatically change change the style. So once I have pressed this, it will analyze all the frames and it will send the details to AI and it will generate normal words and power words. And you can see that normal word and power word are decided. Now again, the every was a power word. So if I play the video, so you can see every online tool. And since subscription was little bit larger, I can just minimize it as per my convenience. So this is the benefit of using AI, because AI will do the heavy lifting and you can just do the minor lifting. And this is how it renders. Now in yesterday's video, you can see that I was only rendering 3 words in one frame. But since I am using left and right combination, I can actually combine this word, and this is how I can do. So if I go here again, you can see that it will render every words. So if I go here, so you can see all these 6 frames are rendered. Now if I want to change it, I can change it. I can do this one. So this is how actually it generates. Now if you want to add audio, background music for this particular word, whenever this word appears, you can just add this background music, or you can upload your own background music for this rendering. And this is how the cinematic captions look. So if you see, you can arrange it for everything. So if I just do it for all my thing, so yeah, so this is how it works. So let me just do the full screen so that you get proper view. I hope you get the point on how to generate animated cinematic captions in Subclip using AI. So this particularly will help you generate your next video, and I hope you get as much as views possible. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.